Okay, in the last video, we have imported our contact list, but let's not stop there. Let's keep collecting new subscribers and let's keep building our customer base. Let's go to the form section and we can preview and launch the form. It's going to give me the default one so you can just get started right away, but I'm going to show you a bit more customization options. So let's click on over here. And this is the form that's going to appear on your store. But we don't have to stop there. We can click over here and we can click on Change Template. And here we have a massive library of form templates you can choose from. I like this one, but I believe that this is the one that we've saw before, so let's keep using that. It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, but that's what makes it good. In the form builder, you can add additional input fields or anything you want into it. This is just a basic template, but you can add a date, for example. You can ask for a person's birthday, you can add a radio button, you can ask for their gender or anything you want. But in our case, let's just keep it simple and ask for their email only. This is what the success page is going to look like. And you can also add a countdown timer. You can add a discount field, which you can enter manually in case you have a specific discount you would like to offer to your new subscribers. Instead of the discount landing in their inbox, you can just immediately show it to them. So that's super neat. For now, let's just delete it and keep it as is. You can change the subscribe page. This is what the person is going to see when they are already subscribed. And if you want, you can change the display settings or targeting on the right, or make any theme settings adjustments that you would like. But let's keep it as is and let's enable it. Once that's enabled, let's see it on our store to see what it looks like. Let's go back, refresh the page, scroll down a little bit, and voila, this is what it's going to look like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.